Subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat and welcome to Jazzy's Recipes. Today I am bringing you Aloo Paratha recipe to the table. Aloo is the Hindi term for potatoes and this is potato stuffed paratha and I will explain you in detail to make your own. Let's begin. Take 2 cups of wheat flour in a bowl and add some salt, 2 tablespoons of butter and mix everything together with your hand. Usually we use wheat flour, but if you are health conscious, you can use whole wheat flour, that is atta flour. Once you crumble well, add water little by little and knead to form a dough. It should be smooth and elastic, not sticky. Once the dough is done, cover and keep it aside for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, get the stuffing ready. To prepare the stuffing by mashing the potatoes, make sure that the potatoes are mashed properly and there are no lumps. Once you mash well, add finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped onions but avoid adding too much of onions, some chopped green chilies, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder and some salt to taste. Now using your hand, mix well until everything gets combined. The stuffing can be customized as per your desired taste. Divide them into equal lime-sized balls and keep ready. Now take the resting dough and divide into 5 to 6 balls. I am dividing into 6 equal sized balls to make medium sized paratha. If you want big paratha, divide them into 5 balls. Flatten slightly between your hands. At this point, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but you want to make sure the edges are slightly thinner than the center. Pop one of the potato stuffing balls into the center and grab the edges and pleat them and bring them together in the center. Pinch them together to seal. See that sealing is done properly to avoid any filling coming out. Do the same process to the rest of the dough balls. Also, I got extra 2 potato stuffing because my potato was bit bigger. So you all get the medium sized potato.
Flatten it with your hand. This is another key step. Do not roll yet. You need to flatten it well so that the filling is evenly distributed. This step is crucial to avoid filling oozing out.
Another big key is to use little bit of flour when flattening the dough. I just sprinkled a bit of flour because it was sticky. Too much flour gives a powdery taste and tends to make the paratha burn much faster. More practice makes it perfect. If making for the first time, it will break, but don't give up. Continue with the next dough. Sometimes the potatoes might ooze out, but it doesn't matter, you can cook. Meanwhile, heat a griddle till almost smoking hot and place the rolled paratha on top. Cook both sides on medium-high heat. Both sides must be fully cooked with some browning. Press down with your spatula at the sides to help with the cooking. Once done, remove aloo paratha to a bread basket to keep warm. Repeat till you make all the parathas. Now aloo paratha is done and ready. And please do try and post the pictures in the Instagram by tagging Jessie's recipes. Don't forget to share and like Jessie's recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.